Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Duke. Today I'm going to share some valuable tips on how to boost your Naukri profile to increase the chances of getting calls from recruiters. Whether you're a job seeker or looking to make career switch, these tips will definitely stand out and catch the attention of potential employers. This is how it looks when you logged into naukri.com. Click on the highlighted box on the top right corner. Click on view and update profile. Let's start editing our profile. The first and foremost step is to complete your profile to 100%. An incomplete profile can be a major turnoff for recruiters. Here's what you need to do. Personal details. Ensure all your personal details like name, contact information, and location are up to date. Professional summary. Write a compelling professional summary. This is your elevator pitch. Highlight your key skills, experience, and what you're looking for. Work experience. List all the relevant work experience, including job titles, responsibilities, and achievements. Education. Include your educational background. Mention your degrees, institution, and years of study. Step 2. Use keywords wisely. Recruiters often use specific keywords to find candidates. Make sure you research keywords. Look at a job description in your field to find common keywords. Incorporate keywords. Naturally incorporate these keywords into your profile, especially in your professional summary, skills, and work experience. Step 3. Upload a professional photo. A professional photo can make a significant difference. Ensure your photo is high quality, clear, and well lit and professional. Dress appropriately and maintain a neutral background. Step 4. Update your profile regularly. Keep your profile active and updated. Regular updates show that you are actively looking for opportunities. Update skills. Add new skills and certifications. Work experience. Update your job roles and responsibilities if they change. Activity. Log in regularly to keep your profile active. Step 5. Optimize your resume. Ensure that your resume is up to date and aligned with your Naukri profile. Upload latest resume. Make sure your latest resume is uploaded. Highlight achievements. Focus on achievements and quantifiable results. Tailor for job applications. Customize your resume for specific job applications if needed. Step 6. Utilize the Naukri tools. Naukri provides several tools that can help increase your visibility. Naukri Recruiter. Follow companies and recruiters to stay updated on the job openings. Job alerts. Set up a job alerts for job roles you're interested in. Featured profile. Consider using paid services like Naukri featured profile to increase your visibility. This is optional. At last, most important trick. This trick will definitely get you a call within a week. Updating your service period. Always mention as a serving notice period and mention last working day. Roughly 30 days from the date you start applying in Naukri. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your Naukri profile and improve your chances of getting calls from recruiters. Remember, a well maintained and optimized profile is key to standing out in a competitive job market. Good luck with your job search. Thank you.